Now on our USDJPY, before we actually get started, I want you to actually subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed before. So actually subscribe, by the way, it will go a long way. Now let's see it on our moving average. This is our 10 period moving average on the daily time frame. We are actually see above our moving average. That is an indication that we are still on an uptrend move. We should be aiming to actually take our buy. That is especially if you are going on the long term, or if you want to go on your 1 hour time frame or trade on your 30-minute time frame, it depends. But on this our daily time frame, starting with, we are on our 10 period moving average now, and we can see we actually had this retracement, right? And one thing we notice about uptrend movies, once we have this uptrend move, we would have this retracement. Now as we can see now, this our price tested area here, reacted here, it broke above it, right? We see this our price broke above it, it came down again to test this area here. We see it tested where we broke above, and it actually pushes up again. And guess what, we are now on a retracement on our daily time frame. So we actually closed bearish yesterday. We see our price closed red, by the way, and once we've actually had it as retracement, so as we are seeing it, we are very much likely to go or close bullish today on the 19th. As you can see now, our price has actually opened bullish and it's actually going bullish. So I believe we would possibly be closing bullish today. I would want to see my price goes up to our previous higher highs, giving us that, what is called double top. If possibly we hit it, and if not, so be it. But I would want to see us closing bullish today. As we can see on our uptrend move, price up, retracement, it pushes up, came down to retrace, came down to retest this area retracement, and now we are now having that push up on our USD JPY. That is exactly why I possibly be saying we might be closing bullish for today. And our index, by the way, as you can see on our daily time frame, as you can see, if our price continues to give us that bullish move on our daily time frame, especially on our 1 hour time frame, we start seeing multiple break of structure upward here. As you can see on our 1 time frame, we saw this push up. If possibly we see this retracements, we get a retracement to test this area, and then it start giving us a bullish move again, then definitely we are actually on an uptrend move, and we should actually take that buy on our USDJPY. I'll say the best time to actually consider going bullish is probably on that our New York section. When our new London section has opened, price has already played out, trying to set some direction move on our New York section. And once our New York section, then definitely we might possibly be getting the move we want. That is why I said on our USDJPY will possibly be closing bullish, and if not, so be it, but we would want to be going bullish on our USDJPY for the day.